In this video, we'll show you how to withdraw money from Freecash. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click on your balance in the top right corner right here. And once you will go to this page, you will see different withdrawal options. So as you can see, we have got Stake, we have got PayPal with a prepaid card and crypto wallets. So if you are 18 plus, I suggest you to withdraw money to your Stake account because you will get 15% bonus. For example, if you click on Stake, you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive on your Stake account. Just copy your Stake crypto wallet address, select the crypto right here, for example, Bitcoin, enter your Stake username, money in USD, and click the withdraw button right here, and you will get 15% bonus. Minimum cash out to Stake is 25 cents. There is also a PayPal. The minimum amount is $5. There is also a Visa prepaid card and the crypto wallets. For example, you can transfer your money to your Binance crypto wallet. If you click on Bitcoin right here, keep in mind that the minimum withdrawal amount for the first withdrawal is $20. After that, there is no minimum withdrawal. So you need to paste your Bitcoin wallet address right here, enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Minimum is $20 for the first withdrawal, and the crypto fee will be 33 cents. Then click on withdraw button and you will transfer your money to your crypto wallet. So these are the withdrawal methods on Freecash. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.